So when it comes to God, we're not talking about science fiction. We're not talking about a superhero or some alien with some special power who can come and help us out. We're talking about the person responsible for the very existence of the created order. The person who's responsible for the fact that the created order continues to be held together and continues to exist. And somebody whose power and wisdom and abilities so transcend our own understanding. He's not just holding the universe together, he's responsible for our own bodies maintaining their existence and our ability to breathe every breath. He's a person who is completely beyond our understanding. Now, to try and understand God is impossible. Fortunately, God has revealed himself to us through the Bible, and he's revealed himself to us through the person of Jesus. And he tells us what, as much as we can cope with and as much as we can possibly, but he tells us all that we need to know as well. It would be like an ant trying to understand the periodic table. So the fact that Jesus reveals himself as being a manifestation of God, God in flesh, God walking among us and telling us how we can have a relationship with our Creator, makes it personal.